Good morning, everybody. It's the 21st of December 2022. It means that officially we are in the winter season. I'm in the Las Palmas of Gran Canaria and it's kind of warm. I think the temperature now is 18, 19 and it will be warmer during the day. But now at 6:47 in the morning, in 1 hour, the sun will set up over there, and I want to shoot the sunshine. I want to shoot the sunrise today for the winter solstice. And happy 23, of course. Happy. The best wishes from me, from this morning to you for all the 2023, which is coming up soon. It is quite dark, yet I can see the moon. I've been shooting the sunrise because the winter solstice here in Las Palmas, actually right here. And I wanted to say thank you a lot for all your support, for your comments, for your wishes, for everything, for your kindness, for your love, sharing all this time and this year, of course. I really appreciate your business and everything. So with that special moment, winter solstice, and a few days away from Christmas and the New Year 2023, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a very happy New Year 2023 to all my friends around the world. Be good. Santa is watching you. Alrighty. So be good, take care, and share peace and love. All the best from Las Palmas. Cheers.